Hello, I am going to speech act. Well, speech act theory was introduced by Austin um, in how to do things with words. And well, the first of his five classification were present representative, where the speaker asserts a proposition to be true using such a verb as, for example, affirm, believe, conclude, and report. And the second category is directive, when the speaker tries to make the hearing do something with such word as acts in, for example, command, invited, insisting, uh, request. Um, the third is commit, uh, where the speaker commit to an action with verbs such as pledge, promise, undertake, and warrant. Uh, the next category is expressive, uh, where the speaker express an attitude to or about a state to affair, using such verb as, for example, apologize, appraised, congratulate, regret, thanks, welcome. And finally, category is declaration. Declaration where the speaker alters the external status or condition of an object or situation by making the utterance. They there have been addiction to this list. However, the focus is how meaning communicate for the speaker in the listening, how it is interpreted, and how they are relate to, for example, Delph. It is will focus on the three time of meaning an utterance has, but it will not explain the time of a speech act in detail. Um, well, according to Austin, 1962, a speech act is a functional unit in communication. It is an act that a speaker performs when making an utterance. Uh, Speech acts are finding their way into classroom material, but there is still a lot that teachers need to and to make them more comprehensible. At first, teaching speech acts is important to determine the student's level of awareness in general by eliciting uh, dialogue are useful to show a student how a speech act are used. Also, the evaluation or a situation is a good technique to refer the awareness to the learn. Uh, mm, Activities such as a role plays are a good idea for practice speech act. Uh, I and feedback at discussion are useful. The students can tell their understanding. Well, I think again the idea is to encourage learn research approach and assist the students to make their own observation. Uh, the most practical implication of a speech act theory is technique is the idea that the literally meaning of the word may not agree with the intent meaning. Finally, in conclusion, Speech act focus on communicate intention in the language. It is useful for language learning to teach them because they prof are insight into the study of languages I use on social context, and also because they can be applied when learn need to discuss different meaning in a certain context. Uh, there, these are function within a language, which mean that speech and theory is about technique functional unit of language with the aim of an understanding of possible meaning present. Material don't always follow things. However, there is a progress towards presenting speech act with contextualize contextualize information. Teachers need to simplify the speech act and the social linguistic norm around them by breaking them down into easy terms so the language learner can use them. Yes, it's all, teacher.